This is a short video from the Cheltenham College IT department on how to install iWork onto your MacBook. First, click on the Finder and go to the Go menu and connect to server. If it doesn't say pupil server up here, you should type it in. Press enter and then type in your username, so it looks like this. Pupil usernames have the initials of their name here, obviously, and then it's just your internet password. And then enter again. Choose resources down the bottom and press OK. And then go straight to pupil software. Double click. Go to iWork 09, and there's this file here, which is the iWork 09 DMG. You drag that onto desktop. Now that it's downloaded, you see the big picture on your iWork DMG. Double click on that, and then click on Install iWork 09. Press Continue, and Continue. And install. In order to install, you need to use your administrator's username and password, which is your MacBook password. And OK. And then you should find that iWork is now on your computer ready to go. Good luck.